Did you know that a simple glass of carrot juice could give your immune system a natural, vibrant boost, and your kids might actually love it? Yes, this humble orange root is more powerful than it looks. In a world full of pills, powders, and over-the-counter fixes, nature offers its own defense, and it's delicious. Let's explore how carrot juice can help build stronger immunity for the whole family, especially for little ones. Welcome to today's episode, where we dive deep into the world of natural immune boosters. And today's focus is on one of the most accessible, affordable, and kid-friendly remedies, carrot juice for immunity. We're going to uncover the science behind beta-carotene and how it boosts immunity. Why carrot juice is ideal for kids and adults alike. How to make the perfect immune-boosting carrot juice at home. Plus, smart tips to make your kids actually ask for it. Whether you're a parent looking to keep your kids healthy during cold and flu season, or someone aiming to naturally strengthen your own immunity, this episode is packed with practical, research-backed insights. Let's begin with the obvious question. Why carrots? Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A plays a crucial role in immune function, especially in maintaining the health of the mucous membranes in the nose, throat, and lungs, our body's first line of defense against pathogens. Beta-carotene not only supports white blood cell production, which helps fight off infections, but it also protects cells from oxidative stress. Here's the bonus. Carrot juice isn't just good for the immune system. It's also great for eye health, skin rejuvenation, and even gut health, which is where 70% of our immune system actually lives. Carrots are also low in sugar compared to many fruits, making them a great base for juice without causing blood sugar spikes, especially in children. Carrot juice versus whole carrots. You might wonder, why juice the carrots? Why not just eat them raw? Great question. While whole carrots offer valuable fiber, juicing allows us to consume a more concentrated dose of vitamins and antioxidants in one go. For example, one glass of carrot juice might require 3 to 5 medium carrots, far more than you'd usually snack on at once. Plus, juice is easier for children and people with digestive issues to absorb. When your immune system is under pressure, giving it nutrients in liquid form can be more efficient. And let's not forget convenience. Kids may turn down steamed carrots, but many will happily sip a sweet, cold orange juice blend, especially with a fun name like superhero juice. How to make the perfect carrot juice. Now let's get into the process. Here's how to make kid-friendly, immune-boosting carrot juice at home. Ingredients: 4-5 medium organic carrots, 1 small apple for sweetness, 1 2-inch of fresh ginger, optional for older kids, 1 2 lemon, vitamin C kick, filtered water if using a blender. Juicing method. If you have a juicer, just feed the ingredients through and serve chilled. If using a blender, chop all ingredients into small pieces. Add 1 to 2 cups of water. Blend until smooth. Pour through a fine strainer or cheesecloth to remove pulp, chill, and serve. Want to boost it even more? Add a few drops of elderberry extract or a teaspoon of local honey, only for kids over 1 year old. Serving tip. Pour the juice into a colorful cup. Give it a superhero name like Immune Rocket Fuel, and let your kids sip it through a fun straw. Presentation matters more than you think. When and how often to drink it. So how often should you or your kids drink carrot juice? For children over 1 year old, 3 to 4 ounces every other day is a great immune-boosting snack. For adults, a half cup to 1 cup daily is perfectly safe and beneficial. Best time to drink it? Mornings or midday, ideally on an empty stomach to maximize absorption. A word of caution. Too much carrot juice can lead to carotenemia, a harmless condition where the skin turns slightly orange due to excess beta-carotene. So, moderation is key. When and how often to drink it. So how often should you or your kids drink carrot juice? For children over 1 year old, 3 to 4 ounces every other day is a great immune-boosting snack. For adults, a half cup to 1 cup daily is perfectly safe and beneficial. Best time to drink it? Mornings or midday, ideally on an empty stomach to maximize absorption. A word of caution: too much carrot juice can lead to carotenemia, a harmless condition where the skin turns slightly orange due to excess beta-carotene. So, moderation is key. Immune boosting beyond carrots. While carrot juice is powerful on its own, pairing it with other healthy habits will multiply its benefits. Here are a few supportive strategies. Combine with adequate sleep and stress management. Add other vitamin A-rich veggies like sweet potatoes or kale. Include probiotic foods like yogurt or kefir to support gut health. Keep your kids hydrated and active to circulate immune cells. Carrot juice works best as part of a holistic wellness routine, not as a quick fix. There you have it, the full story behind carrot juice for immunity. It's easy to make, naturally sweet, packed with beta-carotene, and loved by kids when prepared the right way. A simple daily ritual that could keep your family healthier, one sip at a time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share this episode with a fellow parent, health lover, or anyone looking to boost their natural immunity. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay well, stay nourished, and keep it natural.